What's up, guys? It's your favorite flower, it's Violet, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. So without waiting, let's get into this video. Like I said in the intro, I am Violet, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. So yeah, let's try to survive this. Alright, so I spawned in, and you have to like walk the moles and everything, and I don't have clips of me playing that. So yeah. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And God, it's a tsunami. Run. Did I make it? Did I make it? Is it all? Is it all? I think it is. I hope it is. Right? Pew. I made it. Oh no, they died. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, where's the button? Where's the button? You have to find it. Where's the button? Where is the button? The button. Is it here? I think it's... Alright, I guess I kind of fell. Maybe not, maybe. Oh, you have to get in the group photo. I want to be in the group photo. I want to be in the group photo, me too. Now you can just see my arm. Oh no. I'm so sad now. Who pressed it? Oh no, not dodgeball. Like, I don't know whoever played dodgeball in high school, but when you played, like, all my class would like be like everyone against me. I don't know why, and I just died. Oh well. But yeah. Also, if you guys have any games that you want me to try out or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. I will respond to your questions and maybe try out the games that you asked me to play. Alright, so the trick for this is to take out the red. Because I mean, if you take all of their colors, then they technically won't be able to get it. So yeah. Let's try to get all of the red. All of the red I can. I got this. Just keep touching all of the red. I got this. Just gotta keep touching all of the red. Alright, I'm gonna be able to do this. Did we win? I hope we win. I hope we win. Yes! We won! Yes! Also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. So, yeah. I'm gonna spam the button. I was born to spam the button. I'm gonna spam this button. Ah! Alright. Got this. Alright. 200 times. That's a lot. That's a lot of times. No, really, it is a lot of times. Push the bomb, push the bomb, push the bomb. What? Did you guys see? Push it off. No! Don't push it back in. You know what? I'm going out. No. Oh. You don't have to. Okay, I'm not moving. No, the bacon died. No. Oh, she pressed the button. Alright, what am I supposed to do for this game? I didn't get it. Do I need to like press the button? I'm confused. Hold up. I think I know how. You just have to like move and catch it and not press the button. Hold up, let me try. Hold up. Oh yeah, it's like this. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is actually. Oh. Okay. Oh, congrats, Ari. You won. Woo. Alright, I clicked the button. Alright. So, are we going to go trick-or-treating? Yes or no? I think yes. I hope. Oh. And who it is? And it's a ghost. Oh. Alright, well, that was interesting. So, I kind of died in like 2 seconds, I think. Editor, how many seconds did it took me before I died? Really? Just that? Oh my god. I can't wait to see which challenge is next. Oh, well, I guess we're gonna know. I don't think we should click that lever. Yeah, we shouldn't. Yeah, we shouldn't. Remember, guys, whenever you see a random lever in a Roblox story, it could never mean good. Oh, you have to push each other with the blow dryer. I'm gonna push everyone off. Ah! I have the force of the blow dryer with me. And with that, I shall destroy you, you beginners. Alright, I shall destroy you with the blow dryer power. It never worked on my hair anyways, so I'm just gonna use it as a battle weapon. It doesn't work on your hair? Fine, just use it as a weapon. Just kidding. Don't actually do that, kids. Don't actually do that. I swear. Yeah, don't do that. So, oh. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. But anyways, bye. Oh, lava, no.